Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the connector safe and visible. Power down the device and disconnect the battery or main supply. This prevents shorts and lost pins. Once done, remove any tape, shielding, or latch so the contact row is fully exposed. You'll need a small flat pick or a dedicated depinning tool sized to the pin spacing. A 0.5 mm probe often works. Make sure you have sufficient light and a magnifier if pins are tiny. Then position the connector for comfortable access. You now focus on the retention that holds each pin. Inspect the housing to see whether pins are held by tabs, tangs, or spring clips, and note the direction they release. Once identified, insert your pick or depin tool between the pin tab and the inner wall and either push inward or lift gently, following the clip angle. Do one pin at a time so you don't stress neighboring contacts. Keep steady pressure and small motions. Rapid force will bend contacts or crack the housing. You finish by withdrawing the pin while the retention is depressed. With your free hand or fine tweezers, grip the wire or crimp and gently pull straight back. Do not twist excessively. Once free, inspect the crimp and terminal for deformation or bent tangs and confirm it will reseat correctly. If a pin resists, reinsert the tool and try small wiggles. Make sure there isn't a second clip or debris trapping it. If damage occurs, replace the terminal rather than forcing it back in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.